lovely day. We're going to be absolutely covered in bugs. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I've got 200, just over now. Can't believe it, really. What do you want to listen to me for, eh? Rambling on about nothing. I can't believe it today, which won't probably be the day that you actually see this, but today that I'm speaking about this, I missed a parcel. It's really annoying. I wanted it today, but I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow now. Wow, that was a big splat. So thank you everybody who has subscribed and stayed subscribed for ages before I even got my camera. You have to watch this bit because the cars just turn down there quite often. And they will just turn. Ooh, dual carriageway. With no screen, it's a bit, feels like your head's being pulled off. But you kind of get used to it after a while. What was the point in that? You got far. Typical Audi for you. He wants to overtake. He's going to overtake. Oh yeah, there he goes. Certainly feel like I get more people looking at me with this white jacket on, which I suppose is only a good thing. Must stand out like a sore thumb. Very nice. Very considerate driver. What's happened? Why did that feel really bumpy and horrible? Did I get a stone in my tyre or something? Ooh. Just take it easy around this corner now, that felt weird. No, something don't feel right. Something don't feel right. I'm gonna have to stop and check that out. Something feels weird, bumpy. Definitely doesn't feel smooth. It feels bumpy. Hey, what are you doing? don't feel right. Oh, I hope I ain't got a puncture. I do need new tyres, but see how it feels on this road. This is a very smooth road, so feels okay now. I don't know. Rather not risk it anyway. I'll just take it home and check it over. I should have gone up past the driveway. Oh damn it! Could have pulled in there. Oh, it feels very smooth now. Maybe it was just a stone. I'm sure it would feel more squirmy if I had a puncture. I don't know. God damn it, if I had that parcel thing that was supposed to come today, it would have made it a whole lot easier to check. Hint, hint. Well, can't see any.